52. Respond on fire 50807.
Quinn 63, medical 2427 North Forsyth Road, cross street of Hanging Moss. It's a PVS. OCSO is responding. Unit third stage. Caller heard multiple gunshots. Shooter is still on scene. 0808.
Orange County, this is Winter Park Rescue 62 responding.
Winter Park Rescue 62.
Engine 42 responding on 7.
Engine 42. Medical 2427 North Forsyth Road, cross street of Hanging Moss. Potentially violent situation. Caller heard multiple gunshots. She knows one person was shot. OCSO is responding. Door to stage until further notice. Shooter is still on scene. 0809.
Copy that.
Engine 52. Patient assist. 5014 Vanguard Street. Between Mandarin Drive and Amarillo Avenue. Engine 52. Respond on fire 50809.
Engine 42, automatic fire alarm, 5224, Chicago Circle, cross street of Christian Way. Alarm company received a pendant activation, no contact, but fire alarm is audible in the background. 810. Engine 52, Rescue 52, responding to a public assist at 5014 Vandergaard Street, cross street of Miller Avenue. See for a 76-year-old male. Constant breathing. Caller states her husband fell out of bed. 810.
Orange County, this is Winter Park Rescue 62. Can I get the numerical again?
63, Rescue 62. You need to go non-emergency, please.
Reducing the non-emergency. Can I get the numerical again?
Winter Park Rescue.
North Forsyth Road. If you go down Forsyth, it's going to be half a block before you get to Hanging Moss on the left.
Copy that.
Be advised, we're required to stage still further.
We copy. Rescue 83, patient offload.
Rescue 83, patient offload. 0812. Orange County, Quinn 63, Winter Park Rescue 62. Updated information. There are 5 patients total.
We're trying to make access to the residence. Was the caller by herself? And is she able to come to the front door?
Stand by.
Rescue 66. Medical 2427 North Forsyth Road. Between Hanging Moss Road and Gardner Street. Rescue 66. Respond on fire 30813.
County, is the scene secure?
Quinn 63, that's negative at the moment. Rescue 66, you're responding with Quinn 63 at Winter Park Rescue 62 for a medical. It's a PVS at 2427 North Forsyth Road, cross street of Hanging Moss. Possible 5 GSWs. OCSO is requesting to stage.
Quinn 63, Orange County.
Quinn 63.
Let's go ahead and get at least 3 more rescues rolling this way, please.
Quinn 63.
The captain and the battalion.
Quinn 63.
Rescue 83, go to 1.
Rescue 83.
Rescue 83 on 1 from east.
Engine 36, go ahead.
Make contact with premise. They said that they're flagging you down.
I'm sorry, County. Can I repeat?
Made contact with premise. The lady said she's flagging you guys down.
72, Rescue 41, Captain 5, Medical, 2427 North Forsyth Road, between Hanging Moss Road and Gardner Street. Rescue 72, Rescue 41, Captain 5, respond on fire 3, 0815.
Quinn 63, we're in the area. Where are you stage at?
We're actually coming from 50, so stand by.
Quinn 63, Rescue 41, Rescue 66, Rescue 72, Winter Park Rescue 62, Captain 5, Battalion 5. Proceed on scene.
63 Orange County, scene is safe, correct?
Quinn 63, that's affirmative. Scene is secure.
RMC.
Rescue 50, transporting 1 to RMC 816.
Engine 50, Rescue 70, Medical, 1610 South Orange Blossom Trail, between Conroy Street and West Miller Avenue. Engine 50, Rescue 70, respond on fire 5, 0816.
Orange County Rescue 52, can you confirm on scene?
Communication contact.
Engine 52.
Quinn 63, Winter Park Rescue. Just keep going down Forsyth, you'll see all the lights.
Winter Park Rescue 62 on scene.
Winter Park Rescue 62 on scene.
North Forsyth Road, between Hanging Moss Road and Gardner Street. Rescue 83, respond on fire 3, 0817.
Captain 5, Battalion 5, you're responding to units on scene for medical 2427 North Forsyth Road, cross your Hanging Moss, potentially 5 DSWs. Scene is secure, 0818.
Engine 51, automatic fire alarm, 1451 Recovery Way, between West Michigan Street and West Michigan Street. Engine 51, respond on fire 5, 0818.
63 on scene. Quinn 63, 1 viable patient, 5 no code, no vitals, possibly 0820. Recovery Way, Cross Street, West Michigan Street. It's going to be a Veterans Residence Services. 820. C2, do you need additional units?
At this time, don't cancel until we're sure. We have paramedic from rescue.
Quinn 63. Quinn 63, you have 5 rescues on the way. Do you need an additional rescue on top of that?
Engine 33, Rescue 33, Medical, intersection of Old Winter Garden Road and Good Homes Road. Engine 33, Rescue 33, respond on fire 5, 0823.
Engine rescue to 1.
Engine 52, patient refusal, 823. Orange County Quinn 63, you are unreadable.
I'm in Orange County. In Orange County.
Chief 10.
Find out if he's on his portable. If he is and you can't understand him, have him go to a mobile radio. Chief, I just switched radio. Command Orange County.
Orange County.
Engine 81 to Rescue 82.
6 patients. We have 1 en route to ORMC. And the Sheriff's Office is doing another sweep of the building.
Quinn 63, 1 patient en route to ORMC, 5 patients still on scene. OCSO is doing another sweep, 0824.
We have 5 no code, no vitals on scene. Winter Park Rescue 62 is en route to ORMC with 1 patient. So right now we have a total of 6 patients. So OCSO is doing a secondary sweep of the building to assure no more patients.
Orange County copy.
Rescue 83, Rescue 83 crew, stay in the truck.
Breathing.
Rescue 3 is clearing House Central, turn to 1.
He's having a hard time getting off the bench and just got up from the ground. 825.
Engine 58, patient contact.
Engine 58.
31, patient offload.
What is the name of the business?
Stand by. Spelled FIAMMA, 2427 Forsyth Road. FIAMMA.
Battalion 5's on scene.
Battalion 5.
Rescue 72, stay out in the road. Right here, stay out in the road.
10-4, Rescue 72's on scene.
Rescue 72.
Also, stay in your unit, please.
Anyone to Rescue 82, continue emergency, please.
Copy.
Rush 80 to Orange County, we're on the air.
Rush 80.